The end of apps. AI will replace everything in 5 years.
Elon Musk predicts that within 5 to 6 years, all traditional smartphone applications will completely disappear, fully replaced by AI. Smartphones will no longer hold apps. They will turn into simple terminal devices designed solely to display AI-generated pixels and audio. Show me a visualization.
Traditional operating systems will become entirely obsolete. The core system will integrate AI directly to handle every user request instantly. Instead of clicking through apps, you will simply use your voice. Hey, show me a quick pancake recipe. AI will generate the exact content, layout, or service you need in real time. We are entering the golden age of AI content. Most of the videos, music, and entertainment you consume will be generated by AI. Imagine pointing your camera and telling the AI to create a dramatic story. You can adjust the intensity and details with simple commands. To make this happen, tech companies are putting powerful AI hardware directly into the physical devices, minimizing data delay. The future is arriving faster than you think. It is time to adapt and prepare for a world completely powered by artificial intelligence.
This AI navigates
It's
perfectly.
seamless.